Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix app lock on any iPhone. How to fix the app lock passcode or touch ID on any app in iPhone. So how to fix this problem? I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest video. Do not waste any time. So fix this problem. You have first of all you have must be app is shortcut not available on your iPhone. So guys, you have open the app store and then you search shortcut app and you have install in your iPhone. So guys, then go to the problem, go to the solution. First of all you have opened the shortcut app and then you have click on automation. I have already three apps in log use, and I have then talking about this three apps. You have any apps, uh, more than apps you have locks on iPhone touch ID passcode, and you have open this, then you have this problem. You have add the and then create personal automation, and then you scroll up, then you have open the app and then you have choose the app, then you have select all you want, and then you have select the 1 2 3 4 5. You have any, no problem. I have select the one app store and then done, and then next I have already I have uh, at least two select, and then next, and then any of two apps, and then next, and I have search in timer, and then clock, and then start timer, and then you have must be 1 second, then next, and then you have uh, done, and you will open this, and then ask before running, then you do not ask, and then I have two apps in lock, and then done, and I will check the app, and then you will open the beauty camera, and then he was locked, then you have touch ID, and then he is open. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel.